Are you struggling with IELTS reading, especially matching heading and multiple choice type of questions? Then you are not alone. Many students try to solve this type of question by just matching keywords from the passage with the options available in the question. But the problem is all the options look similar and that is quite confusing. Here is the smarter way. The elimination method. In this method, instead of trying to guess the most suitable answer, start by removing the wrong or irrelevant answer, and the correct answer will stand out as the odd one out. It is a powerful technique. In our upcoming videos, we will show you how to apply this method with real examples. At Careerline Education Foundation, our experienced trainers have been guiding students for 25 years. More than 20,000 students have successfully achieved their dreams of studying abroad with excellent scores in IELTS, PTE, GRE, SAT and Duolingo. Whether you are in Ahmedabad, Anand or Surat or anywhere in the world, you can join our classroom or our online batches, book your demo lecture today and take the first step towards your success. Don't just prepare the smart way with Careerline Education Foundation.